need to have a talk right now.
Yes, Tut, what's wrong?
I need in our bedroom right now, please.
Tut, what's wrong?
I need in our bedroom, please. I am not happy.
Why?
'Cause of him.
Him? Your brother?
Yes. Why is he here? It's Friday.
Tut, there's no school.
Why?
'Cause there's still the winter storm.
They didn't go to school yesterday. They didn't go to school today. Then they're not going to go tomorrow or Sunday. Then it's a 4-day weekend. There was a 4-day weekend last weekend. Hi, Sparkle Shit. Yeah, that's Sparkle Shit. What are you doing? Don't look at me. I'm going to send an Egyptian curse on this damn Mother Nature.